So please tell us what's new in your portfolio.
Well, there are several different startups in my kindergarten, from fun, entertaining apps to heavily industrial innovations. But there is one platform, simply unbelievable, primarily from the point of view of ideology, that handles the unresolved problem. The problem that concerns almost anyone and everyone with access to the internet.
What is this problem?
Well, the problem is paid advertising at major platforms. People are unhappy. They are fed up with too many inaccurate, poorly targeted advertising, and on the other hand, with the practical inconvenience of finding the right product by direct requests.
Okay, so what's the news?
Well, the WeBuy case is not another shopping app and not yet another coupon system. This is a radical new approach to advertising, not as a brokerage, but as a deal starter. This, in my opinion, is chutzpah, and it's going to change the way we play the game.
What is missing?
A partner, for one, so don't miss the train.
WeBuy, a revolutionary shopping application for direct digital advertising. The best team, the best technology, the best conditions for investors. WeBuy. Make a wish, share it, get it.